Hello students, I am Biswajit. Today we learn some concept on operations on real numbers. How to add real numbers with real numbers. That means rational with irrational numbers. Then we learn subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the operations on real numbers. Second, we learn the concept that is how to rationalize the denominator. And last one is the laws of rational exponents. Laws of rational exponents are written here. You have to note it down, and we do some important questions with these concepts. So let us start with some questions. Okay. Simplify the following. First, root 5 plus root 2. You see, question number 1 bit 1. Root 5 plus root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 root. Okay, bit 1 is given. So it is very simple addition of irrational numbers. Then you have to add. How to add? Just open the bracket. It is root 5 plus root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 root. Just open the bracket. रूट 5 टू रूट 5 जैसे कि 2a ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा 3 है रूट 5 प्लस 2 रूट 5 दैट इज 3 रूट 5. सिमिलरली रूट 2 माइनस 3 रूट 2 b माइनस 3b दैट इज माइनस 2b सो माइनस 2 रूट 2 दैट इज द आंसर बिट 1. ओके, वेरी इजी एडिशन. सब्ट्रैक्शन सेकंड रूट 18 minus 4 root 3 bracket minus 2 root 2 minus root 3. You see here. Just open the bracket here using this sign. Okay. Now root 18 you can write root 18. Factorize it 3 6 3 2. That means it is 3 root 2. Root 18 means it is 3 root 2. You can write 3 root 2 minus 4 root 3. Multiply this negative number, negative sign with this one, minus 2 root 2 plus root 3. Okay, now see, this is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, root 2, minus 4 root 3 plus root 3 minus 3 root 3. Okay, that is the answer. Very simple subtraction. And third one, you see, third one is also very easy and it is multiplication, simple multiplication. Like algebra. Okay, you see, multiply. How to multiply? 5 into this one, right? 5 into 2 plus root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Okay, now you see 5 into 2 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 into root 7 2 root 7 plus it is root 35. Simple multiplication. All these are, you see, are different. No like terms are here. So this is one answer. Clear? Question number 2. Simplify. Question number 2, bit 1, you see, 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2. You see here, one formula is used here, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula adjustment system. Okay, just apply this formula. A plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. B square 9 minus 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 into 2. You see, 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 4 into 8 is 8. So 9 minus 8 is what? Answer is okay. See, root 5 plus root 2 plus whole square. You can see a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This number root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 square equal to is 5 plus 2 root 5 into 2 is root 10. Plus root 2 square is So answer is a plus 7 plus 2. Very easy. Third, whole square. A plus whole square. Again, 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square. A plus whole square, a square plus 2 into AB plus B square. Okay, you see here 2 root 5 whole square, 2 into 2 4, root 5 into 5 5 whole root 5 whole plus 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 root 10, 2 into 4 into 12 root 10, root 5 into 2 root 10 plus 3 whole square, 3 into 9, 9 into 8. Now it is 20 plus 18, 48 plus 12. Okay? Question number 2. Question number 3, bit 1. 2 by root 7. Rationalize the denominator. Okay. 2 by root 7. Now we have to multiply root 7 with root 7. Why? Because we have to rationalize the denominator. In denominator it is root 7, so we have to multiply root 7 with denominator and numerator. So it is 2 root 7 divided by 7. That is the answer. Second one, you see 2 root 7 by root 11. Root 11 in denominator, we have to multiply root 11 with 2 root 7 into root 11. You see here 2 root 77 divided by 11. Clear? Third, rationalize the denominator. 1 by 3 plus root. Okay, 3 plus root 2 is in denominator. So we have to multiply 3 minus root 2. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If we change this one to a square minus b square, then it will rationalize. See, it is 3 minus root 2, 1 into 3 minus root 2. Okay, so the answer is 3 minus root 2 divided by a plus b, a minus b, 3 square minus root 2 square. This one is 3 minus root 2 divided by 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 3 minus root 2 by 7. Clear? Then bit 4. You see, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 3. Here 2 root 2 minus root 3, so we have to multiply 2 root 2 plus root 3. So root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 2 plus root 3. Because denominator will be rationalized. 2 root 2 plus root 3. Now you simply multiply root 3 into 2 root 6 plus root 3 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by a square minus b square. The answer is no like terms. Just write this one, 2 root 6 plus 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by is 8 minus 3. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So this one numerator divided by 5. The answer. Clear? Question number 4. Question number 3. Now see question number 4. Simplify. Simplify. This 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root. Simplify means, you see, it is written this form. 4 minus root 5, 4 plus root 5. If we take LCM, it will 4 minus root 5 and 4 plus root 5. So this divided this into this. So 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5. So 4 plus root 5 whole square. First we have to divide this with this one, then you multiply plus. Divide this one, multiply. So 4 minus root 5 whole square. Clear? So it will a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. There is a formula. It is 2 into a square plus b square. If you open it. Okay. So directly put this formula. A plus b whole square, 2 into a square, 4 square plus root 5 square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. See, 2 into it is 16 plus 5. Clear? 16 plus 5 divided by 16 minus 5 is 21 into 2, 42 divided by 11. That is the answer. Clear? Second one, you see, bit 2, it is bit 1, it is bit 2, root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. Same. Take LCM. Root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2. Okay. Division multiply. So root 5 minus 2 whole square minus it is root 5 plus 2 whole square. This divided this into this. You see here a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. We know the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. There is a formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square 4b. But here a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. So a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square will be minus 4a. So directly we can put minus 4 into a root 5 into 2 divided by a square minus b square. So minus 8 root 5 divided by 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 1. The answer is minus 8 root 5 by 1 minus 8 root 5. Clear? This is question number 4. Finished. Question number 4 finished. Now you see question number 5. Find the value of a and b where a and b are rational numbers. Now you do bit 1, 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7 equal to a plus b root 7. Okay, this type of questions are very important. So practice this question. How to do? Rationalize the denominator. Same process. So 3 plus root 7. To multiply 3, it is 3 minus root 7. Multiply 3 plus root 7. Again in numerator 3 plus root 7. That is equal to a plus b root 7. Clear? So now we see this is a plus b whole square. A plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b root 7. Now you see a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, divided by a square minus b square, 9 minus 7 equal to a plus b root 7. Now you see 9 plus it is 7 plus 6 root 7 divided 2 is equal to a plus b root 7. Now you see 16 plus 6 root 7 divided 2 equal to a plus b root 7. Clear? Take 2 common. 8 plus 3 root 7 divided by 2 equal to a plus b root 7. Now 2 to cancel. Now comparing left side and right with the right side. Rational, irrational. So a equal to 8, b part root 7 root 7. So 3 root 7 equal to b root 7. Now b equal to 3. So b 3, a 8. Similarly, you do the second one. Okay. See this process, you apply this process, rationalize the denominator and find the value of a and b. Practice these questions again and again. Watch the video till the end.